guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Have you guys seen these at the store? They're new. They're Revlon. It's called Revlon Kiss. It's a balm, hydrating balm with natural fruit oils. So I thought I would pick one of these up and open it up and show you guys whether it's good, it's not good. So this I got in 015 Peach, Juicy Peach. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's just, I don't know. Let's see. Let's open it up. It smells like peach, which I love, absolutely love makeup that smells good because it makes it more joyful when you put your makeup on. Let's go ahead and see if it's tinted or not. Let me just wipe down my lips. Okay, I had to take off any foundation on my lips because I really don't want it to mess up with the color. Let's go ahead and apply. And it smells lovely, but I think it, does it taste? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna lick my own lipstick. It tastes good. But you know what? Honestly think that this is like a chapstick. It just hydrates the lips. I think you can go get a chapstick, one of those that tastes good. This was, I think, $3.50. But I do like the fact that it has a larger retractable end to it. And let's see, it comes with quite a bit of product for $3.50 because I don't know if a chapstick, let's actually look how much a chapstick comes with. This is the coconut chapstick that I absolutely love. This smells so good, but this comes with 0.15 ounces. And this is what, like $1.50, $2? And this comes with 0.09 ounces. So obviously you get a lot more of a chapstick than you do this. But if you guys are looking for specific flavors and fragrances on your lips, I would go with this. You know, the chapsticks actually say, like this one, for example, is the Aloha Coconut. I do think it's like around $1.50 to $2, you know, because that's the special one. But if you guys wanted something with a larger retractable end, I would go get this. This actually does have SPF in it. So a lot of times just the extra protection for your lips is worth $1 or $2 more. This is great to put on your lips if you know that you're going to be wearing a lipstick that's very dehydrating on your lips, that makes your lips dry. This is great to put on under and then put that lip color right on top that mattifies, and then you won't have that feeling like it just caked on your lips. For $3.50, it's not bad. It does taste good. It does remind me of a chapstick, but it's more fancy, and it does come with SPF. So I actually give this Revlon Kiss Balm a total thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a total thumbs up as well. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.